Hello, and welcome back to English Sprout TV. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. We are so happy you are here with us today.
That's right. If this is your first time listening to our podcast, welcome. We make English simple, natural, and fun. We talk about real-life topics, we teach you useful words and phrases, and we do it all in easy English that you can actually understand.
Yes, we know learning English can feel scary sometimes, but don't worry, you are in the right place. We speak slowly, we explain everything, and by the end of today's episode, you will learn something new. I promise.
So Emma, what are we talking about today?
Today, we are talking about something very important, something that affects your English learning, your job, your relationships, everything really.
Ooh, I'm curious now. What is it?
We are talking about mindset.
Mindset. Yes, that is such a good topic.
It really is, because your mindset, the way you think, changes everything. And today, we want to teach you how to talk about your mindset in English. We will teach you the vocabulary, we will teach you the phrases, and we will show you how to use them in real conversations.
Perfect. So before we start, let me tell you what you will learn today. First, we will explain what the word mindset means. Second, we will talk about two important types of mindset: growth mindset and fixed mindset. Third, we will teach you 10 useful phrases so you can describe your mindset in English. And fourth, we'll do a little practice conversation together.
Sounds like a great plan. Are you ready, Alex?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, let's start with the basics. What is a mindset, Alex?
Good question. So, mindset is a noun. It means the way you think about things. It is your attitude. It is your way of looking at the world. For example, when something is difficult, do you say, "This is impossible, I quit"? Or do you say, "This is hard, but I can learn"? That difference, that is your mindset.
Exactly. Your mindset is not about how smart you are. It's not about your English level today. It's about how you think about learning and growing.
Right, and here's a very important idea. There are two main types of mindset. A psychologist named Carol Dweck, she's very famous, she wrote a book about this. She says people usually have one of two mindsets: a fixed mindset or a growth mindset.
Let's talk about the fixed mindset first. Alex, can you explain what that means?
Sure. A fixed mindset means you believe your skills are, well, fixed. You believe you are born with a certain amount of talent and you cannot change it. So if you have a fixed mindset about English, you might think, "I am just bad at languages. I will never speak English well. Some people are naturally good at English, but I'm not one of them."
Yes, and people with a fixed mindset often feel scared to make mistakes because if they make a mistake, they think it means they are not smart. They think, "Oh no, I failed. That means I'm a failure."
That is so true, and it is very sad because everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about the other type, the growth mindset. This is the good one. This is the one we want.
Yes, a growth mindset means you believe you can improve. You believe that with effort, practice, and time, you can learn anything. If you have a growth mindset about English, you think, okay, my English is not perfect today, but if I study every day, if I practice speaking, if I listen to podcasts like this one, I will get better.
I love that. People with a growth mindset are not afraid of hard things. They say, "This is a challenge. Challenges help me grow." When they make a mistake, they say, "Great, now I know what to fix."
Exactly. So let me ask you, Emma, do you think you have a growth mindset?
I try to, but honestly, sometimes I have a fixed mindset too. For example, last year I tried to learn how to play the guitar, and my fingers hurt, and I sounded terrible, and I thought, maybe I am just not a musical person. That was a fixed mindset.
Oh, I understand. What happened next?
Well, my friend told me, "Emma, everyone sounds terrible in the beginning. You need to practice more." And I realized she was right. I changed my thinking. I started to say, I cannot play guitar yet, but I'm learning. And that small change, adding the word yet, that is a growth mindset.
Wow, that is such a good example. The word yet is so powerful. I cannot do it yet. That means you believe it is possible in the future.
Yes, and that brings us to our vocabulary. Let's teach our listeners some phrases they can use to talk about their mindset.
Great idea. Let's do it. I will say the phrase, I will explain it, and then Emma, you can give us an example sentence. Is that okay?
Perfect. Let's start.
Phrase number 1. I believe in myself.
This means you trust your own abilities. You know you can do hard things. Example, learning English is difficult, but I believe in myself. I know I can do it.
Beautiful. Phrase number 2. I never give up.
This means you keep trying, even when it is hard. You do not stop. Example, my pronunciation is not perfect, but I never give up. I practice every day.
Phrase number 3. I learn from my mistakes.
This is a very important one. It means mistakes are not bad, they are teachers. Example, yesterday I used the wrong word in class, but that's okay. I learned from my mistakes.
Phrase number 4. I can improve.
Simple and strong. It means you know you can get better. Example, my listening skills are weak now, but I can improve if I watch English shows.
Phrase number 6. I need to put in more effort.
This means you know success needs hard work. Example, I failed my English test. I need to put in more effort and study harder next time.
Phrase number 7. I'm a work in progress.
This is a nice, natural phrase. It means you are not perfect, but you are growing every day. Example, my grammar is not perfect. I'm a work in progress, and that's okay.
Phrase number 8. I stay positive.
This means you try to keep a good attitude even when things are hard. Example, English grammar is confusing, but I stay positive. I know I will understand it soon.
Phrase number 9. I focus on progress, not perfection.
This is one of my favorites. It means you care about getting better, not about being perfect. Example, I made 5 mistakes in my essay, but I focus on progress, not perfection. Last month, I made 10 mistakes.
And phrase number 10. I have a growth mindset.
This is the big one. You can use this to describe yourself. Example, some people say English is too hard, but I have a growth mindset. I know I can learn anything with time and practice.
Excellent. Those are 10 great phrases. Now, let's talk about the opposite. Sometimes we have negative thoughts too, and it is important to know how to express those in English so we can recognize them and change them.
Yes, let's talk about some fixed mindset phrases. These are things people say when they feel stuck.
For example, I can't do it.
This is very common, but if you catch yourself saying this, try to add one word, yet. I can't do it yet.
Another one, I'm not good at this.
Again, add yet. I'm not good at this yet, but I am learning.
Or, this is too hard for me.
You can change that to, this is hard, but I can handle it, or simply, this is challenging.
And one more, I always fail.
That is a very strong, very negative sentence. Instead, you can say, I have failed before, but that does not define me. Or, every failure is a lesson.
I really like that. Now, Emma, let's do something fun. Let's do a short role play. Let's pretend we are 2 friends talking at a coffee shop. One of us is feeling discouraged about learning English. The other one helps with a growth mindset. What do you think?
Love it. I will be the discouraged friend. You help me, Alex.
Okay, here we go.
Hey, Alex, can I tell you something? I am so frustrated. I have been studying English for 6 months, and I still cannot speak well. I think I'm just bad at languages.
Oh, Emma, I understand you feel that way. But listen, you are not bad at languages, you are learning. 6 months is actually not a very long time. Do you remember when you started? You could not even introduce yourself. Now look at you. We are having a conversation in English right now.
I guess that is true, but I make so many mistakes. Last week, I said something wrong in front of my coworker. I felt so embarrassed.
Mistakes are normal, Emma. Even native speakers make mistakes. The important thing is, do you learn from them? Did you fix that mistake?
Yes, I looked it up. Now I know the right way to say it.
See? You learn from your mistakes. That is a growth mindset. You are not stuck. You are growing. Maybe you just need to put in a little more effort or change your study method. But never say, I can't do it. Say, I can't do it yet.
You are right. I can't do it yet, but I will keep trying. I believe in myself.
That's the spirit.
That was a good practice, Alex. I think our listeners can use those sentences in real life.
Yes, and now let's talk about how to use this vocabulary in different situations, because it is not just about studying English. You can talk about mindset at work, in school, with your family, and even in job interviews.
Oh, job interviews. That is a great example. Imagine an interviewer asked you, what is your greatest weakness? You can use growth mindset language to answer.
Exactly. You could say, in the past, I was nervous about public speaking, but I have a growth mindset. I joined a speaking club, I practiced every week. Now I feel much more confident. I believe we can always improve if we work hard.
That is a perfect answer. It shows honesty, self-awareness, and a positive attitude.
Another situation, talking to your teacher. Maybe your teacher asks, why do you want to learn English? You can say, I want to learn English because I know I can improve. I stay positive. I focus on progress, not perfection. I'm a work in progress and I'm excited to grow.
Wow, any teacher would love to hear that.
And what about talking to yourself? You know, a lot of language learners forget this. The way you talk to yourself matters. When you look in the mirror in the morning, do you say, my English is terrible? Or do you say, I'm getting better every day?
That is so important. Your inner voice, the voice inside your head, that's part of your mindset too.
Right. So here's a little homework for everyone listening. Tonight, before you sleep, write down 3 sentences about your mindset in English. Use the phrases we taught you today. For example, I never give up. I learn from my mistakes. I can improve. Write them in a notebook. Read them every morning. And soon, you will not just say these words, you will believe them.
That is beautiful, Alex. I love that idea.
Thank you. Now, before we finish, let's do a quick recap. Emma, can you help me?
Of course, let's go over the key vocabulary one more time.
Number 1, mindset, your way of thinking.
Number 2, fixed mindset, believing you cannot change or improve.
Number 3, growth mindset, believing you can learn and grow with effort.
Number 4, I believe in myself.
Number 5, I never give up.
Number 6, I learn from my mistakes.
Number 7, I can improve.
Number 8, it's a challenge, not a problem.
Number 9, I need to put in more effort.
Number 10, I'm a work in progress.
Number 11, I stay positive.
Number 12, I focus on progress, not perfection.
And number 13, I have a growth mindset.
Perfect. If you want to practice more, write a comment below this video. Tell us, which mindset phrase is your favorite? Do you have a growth mindset or a fixed mindset? We read every comment and we love hearing from you.
Yes, please comment. And if you enjoyed this episode, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to English Sprout TV, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new episode. We publish new podcasts every day to help you learn English in a fun, easy way.
Also, if you want the full transcript of this episode so you can read while you listen, visit our website, EnglishSproutTV.com. The link is in the description below.
Thank you so much for listening today. Remember, your English is not perfect today, and that is okay. You are a work in progress. You can improve. You just need to believe in yourself, stay positive, and never give up.
That's right. You have a growth mindset. We know you do because you are here, right now, learning. And that takes courage.
So keep going, keep listening, keep speaking, and we will see you in the next episode of English Sprout TV.
Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.